What's up, guys? Hey, Jeremy here again with Consciousness Awake channel. Welcome back. Um, in this video, I want to talk about a third eye test. It's a little simple exercise to test to see how open or shut or pried open is your third eye. And it's a really simple exercise, and I'm gonna hop right into it. So what you want to do is you want complete pitch black, no light, absolutely no light, dark room, sleep mask. Find a way to immerse your body in a spot where it is pitch black. The more pitch black, the better. It doesn't have to be 100% pitch black. I mean, it can be 80 to 90% pitch black for this exercise to work. But optimally, you want to put some effort into going 100% pitch black, or for the most part. Then, what you want to do is you're just laying down or in a chair or just relaxed, and just focus on your breath. That's the first step. Just focus on your breath, on your inhale through your nose. Okay? Breathe in through your nose, but do it quickly. Do it fast. It's a quick intake, fast and heavy. So hold it briefly in your lungs, and exhale heavily, very heavy and quick. Okay? And continue that process, but with every new intake of air, slow the breathing process down, slower and slower. Okay? So it's kind of like this. So I'm going to do it 3 times. Ready? So the first time is going to be like, so you hear what I'm doing there? So it's heavy. You're starting fast, but then you're slowing down as you go with each intake and exhale. So do that several times. You're in pitch blackness, hopefully, and sleeping mask on, hopefully. And then take your focus, your awareness, just move it to your 6th chakra region, your third eye region, which is in between the brows, right in the center there. And then you move up just a little bit till you can feel the indentation. See where my indentation there's a little bump right there. That's where that indentation is on my third eye, on the 6th chakra area. Okay, so take your focus and everything you have, just focus in on that area, on the front of your forehead. Okay, and then as your breathing is becoming more automatic, and also it becomes slower, more calm, less is heavy. Okay, and then just focus on your third eye and that pitch blackness. So if your third eye is currently already open, what you will see is this amazing golden white light, white goldish energy beam, like a sun ray, like a sun ray that you'll notice sometimes when you look at the sky, and you'll see it penetrating and going into your 6th chakra, into that third eye region. So what's happening there is you're in pitch blackness. Your two physical eyes obviously cannot see a sunbeam of golden white light shooting into your forehead. Come on, people. So what's going on there is the optics on your pineal gland, because your pineal gland is essentially the characteristics, all the key components to your pineal gland operate just like your real eyes. Okay, so when you're seeing the golden white beams of light, the lightning rods, whatever you're seeing coming down into your third eye region, you are seeing it. You're seeing energy, and you're seeing it with your pineal gland. It's registering, right? If it just stays pitch black for like minutes, for like 5 minutes, that means that your pineal gland is shut off. It is completely, not maybe completely closed, but it's just not functioning. You're not going to see energy, light, colors. You're not going to see that in your third eye if your third eye is closed. Okay, does that make sense? Pretty basic stuff, pretty simplistic little exercise, little technique to test to see how open or shut or pried open your third eye is currently in this moment. You just have to do a good test. Pitch blackness, do the breath work correctly, and then just see what happens. It's more of an experiment, right? So let me know how you guys do. Let me know what you experience. If you have any particular questions, leave them down in the comments, and leave your own experiences too. Also, you can see like dots of white light, or just white light, or just dots of white light penetrating into your third eye. Also, sometimes indigo or purple colors and things like that. You can also see that too. Sometimes you just start seeing things that are just in the non-physical, or just energy in general around you, astral energies or etheric energies and whatnot. So there's other things that can happen too. But the bottom line with this video is test your pineal gland in pitch blackness, do the breathing exercise, and then just see for yourself what you see with your third eye with that kind of test. Okay, buddy? All right, guys? All right, you guys have a nice day. Sending lots of love and positive vibrations to you guys. Hope you enjoyed our hike back here. It's kind of cool. All right, peace.